Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys exactly how I maintain my wash and goes, my nighttime routine, and what I do in the morning to bring it back to life. So stay tuned so I can show you the process. So literally all I'm going to do is, like to just kind of adjust this all the way open, put my hair in the bonnet. As you see, I'm not doing anything crazy special because it's just a wash and go, so I don't need a lot. Okay. So it's oversized, which is a good thing, but if it ain't tight, it gonna smack you in the eye. So I literally just put my hair in here. Pull the drawstring to keep it tight. Try to make sure as much as my edges are in there as possible. And then go to sleep. So the wash and go style that I have under here is literally just a part, as you remember, and just to the side. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks the next day when I sleep on it and what I do to bring it back to life. So stay tuned. Now this is the routine I use specifically for my wash and goes. The routine that I use for my twist outs are going to be a little bit different. My twist out braid outs, I can show you guys that as well too when I have that style, so you can see how I maintain it at night and what I do to refresh those styles in the morning. But I want to show you guys my wash and go routine because this is actually one of my favorite styles to do. It's a wash and go, and I frequently am like this at night. They can attest to that. But sometimes I like to switch it up, let them know, you know, keep it spicy. You know what I'm saying? But when I'm done being spicy, this bonnet gotta go back on. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my nighttime routine so you can see exactly what I do to actually be able to preserve it at night. Then I'll show you in the morning what I do to bring it back to life. Stay tuned. Well, good morning. It's the next day and I want to show you guys what I do in the morning for my morning routine to actually be able to bring my wash and go back to life after it's been slept on and had good sleep and you ready to bring it back. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I do. So I'm going to be removing my bonnet to show you guys what it looks like under here. So it's smashed. It is definitely smashed. So I like to shake it first just to kind of let like the curls at the end be friendly again. I don't know how this piece got over here. So now I just like to use water to kind of add that moisture back and get it a little bit more pliable. And just keep shaking it because you don't really want to disrupt the curl pattern because it's already set. What you're trying to do is just get that smash look to go away. So you can shake it. I know if I shake it too much my head starts throbbing, so I don't shake it too much. You can use your fingers as well to kind of go in there and just bring that body back. That volume back. As you can see, now that it's completely dry, my hair has shrunk a ton, but it's okay because the curls are still there. This part in the back was kind of looking a little mangled, so just adding some water there just to kind of refresh that and make sure those curls are still popping. So it's not a lot. So at first it did look a little crazy, I admit, but see how easy I was able to bring it back? And now I am just gonna lay these edges because and I usually use a little edge brush, but I think my son, my baby, comes into my filming room and he just terrorizes me. So I can't find it right now, but I want to show you guys how I can lay it with a fine tooth comb still. See, just a little something. And bam! Go about your day with a cute quick slay. Go about your day with a cute quick slay. Hey! Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this quick video on how I do my night and morning routine for my wash and goes. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, please make sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when the posts become available on my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye, my gems.